Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the drug addiction. Drug addiction is a condition in which person lacks the ability to control himself from the use of the drug. And the addiction of the drug depends upon how much time you can use the drug and you can use which type of drug. As there are many types of drugs like cocaine, hashish, alcohol, and many others like medicinal drugs. And the some drugs have the very high risk that you are addicted by the very low intake, as if you take up any other type of a drug, it can take a large time, but you if you take heroin or ice, it one dose can create you to addict for it, as there are many drugs which are used due to some social problems. Some drugs are prescribed by the doctors, but they are if the patient can take it in larger amount, then they are addicted to the drugs. As in the medicinal drugs, painkillers are among the most which can get the high risk to be addicted, as the person can take the painkillers. First of all, they feel it good, but later on if he use it in larger amount and for the long time, then these drugs can be addicted to the person, and the person not feel good or feel ill if he leaves it, as the drugs has also the very bad symptoms withdrawal for the withdrawal. If he goes towards the things which can show that the person can drug abuse, then there is the red eyes and low attention to the work, irresponsibility, and many others like weight gain or loss, or the demand for the money without any reason, or without any description that why they need money. And they can also be engaged in the any type of activities if they uh, want money for the drug. And these are the symptoms through which you can need the person, you can see the person who can use the drug. And if we look up the causes of the drug addiction, then there are several causes of the drug addiction, including depression. There is the depression in the drug addicted, and there are also the lack of responsibility, and also the person who is addicted to the drugs can have a very different behavior from which he has in real. And the drug addictor also become feel anxiety if he cannot use the drug for the time. And the drug addictor also become out of control if he has no control over himself, if he cannot use the drug on the time, if he is addicted. If he goes toward the Pakistan, then according to the latest survey in 2013, there is a 6.7 million people which are addicted to the drugs, and these are all type of drugs in which there are illegal or legal. As there are the many types of illegal drugs which are smuggled from the Afghanistan, like cocaine or heroin. Almost 75% of the world heroin is produced by the Afghanistan, and it is in real that due to the neighboring in Afghanistan, over KPK province has a large number of drug addictors from the rest of the country. And if we go toward the Punjab, then in 2007 there is the 90,000 drug addictors, but in 2014 survey there is almost increase in the drug addictors, and it can cause a severe condition up to 5 lakh, and the country become goes worse to worse condition in the drug addictors. How to leave it? Then the drug addictors can leave it through many ways. As first of all, they have to write the problems which they face due to the drug addiction, as lack of responsibility, their secretive behavior, and their behavior with their family, which can cause the problem. And other as this drug addiction can also harm them, but they are unable to leave them. So they need to make a list of the problems which are faced by the drug addiction, and later on they have to see again and again to motivate themselves to leave the drug. And they also have to converse with their uh, family members, as they can also uh, motivate them to leave the drug. And there is the rehabilitation centers in the country worldwide. Good and practice rehabilitation centers have the professionals which can know how to uh, meet with the drug addiction and how to leave it. So rehabilitation center is also one step to leave the drug addiction. And drug addiction is also have the very withdrawal symptoms. So in order to maintain your health and be prevented from the withdrawal symptoms, it is needed that medication is also be prescribed, and it is prescribed by the that one professional which can know that how to remove the drug from their life. So all of them drug addiction can leave them, as it is very hard, but it is not impossible. So leave the drug addiction and save your family and the whole nation, as you have the responsibility toward your family, toward your parents, toward your kids, toward your nation. So leave the drug addiction and make you a better citizen of the country, and a better half and better son of your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.